Welcome back, everyone. This is step 3 of what I would highly suggest to take advantage of from our services as you jumpstart into 2026. So now we've gone through on our site, you've signed in, you've gone through, you've taken advantage of the tech refresh, you've gone through our agent support section to find what would work the best for you to utilize. The other big item I would highly suggest now is to look into the marketing support. All right. First and foremost, if you have any listing marketing collateral that you need created, we can help. If it is a social piece, flyer, or a postcard, we can actually help to get that created for you right away. All right, so our Agent Concierge is a fantastic done-for-you option to help out. If you did not know that you have access to Gemini Pro, that is also accessible through your KW.com email. We have different prompts on here to help you out even further. We also have a monthly newsletter that every month we're coming out with one. So if you want us to send out the one for January, we can get that out right away. Or we can also add it to your smart plan, over inside your own personal library so you can make customizations or personalization on it to then send out whatever you would prefer. And then, of course, we also happen to have our templates. All right, so the templates on here are just going to be Canva Pro templates you can utilize. So if you want to take advantage of any of these in excess of what's currently available through Canva from KW or through Canva just as Canva in general, please feel free to access any of our different variations on here along with our prior free templates. All right. And if I want to look at KW Classic, for instance, then I can view all the different variations on here. And if it says multiple designs, once you select what you want to view and click Using Canva, it'll take you over. And as long as you are signed into your KW.com Canva account, or you're signed into a Canva account that has a pro account on it, you'll be able to access this right away. All right, so all these will be accessible for you, and these will work with all the different apps as well too. So if you happen to have your KW app, you'll be able to drag and drop listing information on here immediately. Now, outside of the template section, just a reminder, we also happen to have our Agent Concierge section on here as well too. See if we can refresh this real quick. That should pop up with something up here. But under our section, you can go through the start option and you can walk through this little quick form that we'll need in order to get everything completed for you. So if this is your first time requesting a marketing piece, you can say yes, and then we'll ask a couple extra questions. If not, we'll have that information on file. You can put inside your market center number. You can specify if it's for yourself or for someone else. So that'll all be accessible on here. So I'm going to say someone else. No, you know what? I'm going to say for myself today. And then you can put inside your information for us to create this for you. That way you can choose between our most popular templates or all available designs, what you may be looking for, and you can select more than one. And then what social template or social post in this case, for my example, would you like created? So I'm going to do number 5. And once you give us the address, we're going to find this from the MLS. We're going to find this from KW.com or the KWLS. We're going to get this created for you right away. Add inside all the information, put inside your listing status, put inside whatever your business email may be, and then any comments you want to include, maybe any state requirements, anything that is not on the MLS that's going to be over inside the description that you want to highlight. Feel free to add this in. And once you submit this off to us, within 1 to 2 business days, typically that next business day turnaround, we're going to send this piece back to you with your information on it, your office info, your listing info, obviously, and then more importantly, step-by-step directions on how you can take this custom piece we've made for you and post it out on social or convert it over to a smart plan to send that out as well, too. All right. Now, once again, all of this is available under that Agent Resources tab on our site once you sign in. And this was all under marketing support, whether it's the Agent Concierge section for the done-for-you marketing collateral or those templates that I just highlighted, along with these additional options as well, too. All right, so thank you so much for taking advantage of this. Obviously, there is a plethora of additional items on here, including trainings, including other items that are accessible for you outside of that you can utilize immediately. So please feel free to take advantage of all these items. Let us know how we can help you to get 2026 off to the best year ever. And looking forward to working with y'all even more as we get going in this new year.